Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In today's video we are going to see how to install Joomla CMS on RHEL 7.6. Introduction. Joomla is a free and open source content management system for publishing web content. This tutorial covers the installation procedure of Joomla CMS on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.6. To check the installed version of OS, installed version is RHEL 7.6. Now I am going to install MariaDB and Apache server. After the installation, we have to enable and start the services. Then we have to start the services. To check the status of both services, here Apache server and MariaDB server are running. Next we have to do MySQL secure installation. Press Y to set root password. Remove anonymous user. Disable root login. Remove test database. Reload the privileges. Next we have to create database for Joomla CMS. Here create database as Joomla. Create database. Database name is in Joomla. Now I am going to create user for Joomla database. Give password for that user. Give permission for this user on Joomla database. To update these privileges, run the command flush privileges. Now give exit command to exit this console. Now I am going to install Apple release and MUtils. In my system, both Apple release and MUtils already installed. Now I am going to download Webstatic repo. After downloaded Webstatic RPM, we have to install next we need to install Remi repository. After downloaded, install the Remi repository. Now configure PHP version 7.2 using Remi repository. Next we have to install PHP and its module. After installed PHP, we have to create Joomla directory under www. Change directory to Joomla. Here, download the Joomla CMS by executing the following command. Once Joomla CMS is downloaded, now which is in zip file. Now unzip the Joomla file. Now set permission for this Joomla directory. And change ownership. To permission recursively. Now we have to configure virtual host. Give joomla.conf. And also mention in host file. Mention your server IP, then domain name. After the setup, we have to restart the Apache service. Now open the Firefox to install Joomla CMS. Here provide your domain address. Give site name. Give mail ID for the admin account. Set password for this account. Give here user credential that we have created in MariaDB. Database name Joomla. After overview of an Joomla CMS, here click on remove installation folder.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our Linux Help channel. For further details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.